So to get started making your website, which will look something like this, you're just going to open a new tab and go to your grid up at the top, and you're looking for Sites, Google Sites, and press that. Then you're going to start a new site. You're going to press the blank plus button. The first thing you want to do is you are going to enter your name. So, if I was doing Marcus Simeon, if my name was Marcus, put your name up there. And you'll see it automatically names the file for you. Now, your page title is going to be whatever your first name is, Marcus's portfolio. And what you want to do is you want to kind of take this header and make it a little wider so that it fits. And the next thing you want to do is make your header a little bigger. So go to header type, and you want a large banner. So press large banner. Now don't worry, we'll change the background in just a minute with a nice background photo. The next thing you want to do, and by the way, in these tutorials, follow the step, pause the video, and then do this on your website. The next thing you want to do is go to your theme, and you will see you have some choices. You can choose Simple, Aristotle, Diplomat, and so on. Pick one that you like, and remember, you're going to change the background photo, so that's fine. And if you also want to change the text, you can highlight the text to change that as well. Once you find a style that you like, we now need to publish your website. So you are going to press the Publish button. And you will see here is the website. This is this is your website address. This is what you would give to people who you want to see your website. Family or future employers or college applications, job applications, so on. Choose something very simple, like Mark, your first name is probably enough. And then you'll press, oh, by the way, who can view my site? Anyone at Hawkins ISD. You want to manage that. So if you only want me to see it, then just keep it to Hawkins ISD. But if you are going to use this for family or for employers, you need to change this to public so that anyone with the link can see it. So choose what you want and hit done. Finish publishing your site and press publish. To preview what you have, this button up here, the preview button, this is what your website will look like on a computer or on a tablet or on a cell phone. To go back to editing, you press the X on Exit Preview. Just remember, before you turn your website in, you always want to press this Publish button. Let's continue a little bit more. We need to add another page. And so we're going to go to your Pages tab, and you are going to add a new page at the bottom. And this one is going to be called About. Capitalize the first letter, please. Then we are going to make another page, and this one is called Activities. Another page will be called Engineering Projects. And the final page will be called Blog. Again, if you still are not sure about your styles, you can change your style and you can see other choices that, what it might look like. So let's go back to go to your pages, you can actually just press like your home page and that will send you home. I'm going to go back to Pages. It helps me keep track of where I am. On your home page, you want to go to Insert. You are going to stick a photo of yourself, so press Images and Upload, and then go find that photo of yourself. Then you want to add another photo, 2 more photos of various activities that you do. If you don't have any activities, take a photo of your hands on the keyboard. That's a good one to use. And I'm going to get a third image. And again, if you still don't have any photos of yourself, go take a photo of one of the Hawk murals in the school. We want to get all these photos on the same line. So just click, hold, and drag these photos over. The next thing we want to do is make them smaller and in the shape of kind of like a square, I think. You want each of the photos to be about the same height and about the same width. You can see you can crop photos, which is very helpful. So to crop them, this is the tool for cropping. You click on that, and then you can pull up your picture and center it how you want so it looks really good. And when you're finished, you press the check. Again, to crop it, you press the crop button and you can pull your picture over so it's centered perfectly. Once you get your photos how you like them, pull them over to the right-hand side, and then we're going to add a text box. So on the Insert tab on the right, press Text Box. You have to move this. How you move these boxes is, do you see the little dots at the top? If you put your mouse over those little dots, you can drag that text box. And in here, I want you to write welcome. This is a collection of my work from Hawkins High School. Even if you're in middle school, we're going to use this website all your years. So just go ahead and put Hawkins High School. I hope you enjoy it. Okay. Now, to change the text, if you want a different text, you can choose, I like Montserrat Light. I think that's a really pretty one. And I also like to make mine dark gray instead of black. I think it's a little nicer to look. If you want to change the background color, do you see the selection colors? This is a little weird, but you have to go to selection colors, and it doesn't often give you a lot of choices to pick from. Sometimes you have to revise your text so that you can see it depending on what your background color is. The last thing at the bottom is you want to add a footer, so press Add a Footer, and you just want to type contact me, and you're going to put your Hawkins email address. And I would increase the size to be at least 12, and you want it centered, so align center. So at this point, you probably want to preview. So I'm going to press the preview button, and let's see if it looks good on a cell phone, if it looks good on a tablet, and if it looks good on a computer. It does. Finally, what we want to do is we want to change our image in the background. So if you go over here to the left, an image, you're going to upload. Go find one of those backgrounds that you uploaded, and let's see what it looks like. And if you like it, great. If you don't like it, change your background. When you're finished with this step, I want you to press Publish. It shows you what you did and now what it looks like. You will press Publish. You need to copy this link. So copy this link. Copy this link. And then I want you to go to your Google Classroom, and you are going to go turn this link into this website assignment. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.